Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the channel Read with Rizwan. If you are new to this channel, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. In today's video, we shall discuss about agriculture from the textbook Contemporary India 2 of class 10 Social Sciences. So let's get started. India is an agriculturally important country. 2/3 of its population is engaged in agriculture activities. Agriculture is a primary activity which produces most of the food that we consume. Some facts about agriculture in India. India ranks second in the world in crop output after China. 1.4 million square kilometers of land in India is under cultivation. Agriculture is India's biggest economic sector and employs 52.1% of total workforce. Indian farmers practice different types of farming. At present, in different parts of India, the following farming systems are practiced: primitive, intensive and commercial farming. Primitive subsistence farming. This type of farming is still practiced in few pockets of India. Primitive subsistence agriculture is practiced on small patches of land with the help of primitive tools like hoe, dove and digging sticks and family or community labor. This type of farming depends upon monsoon, natural fertility of the soil and suitability of other environmental conditions to the crops grown. It is a slash and burn agriculture. Farmers clear a patch of land and produce cereals and other food crops to sustain their family. When the soil fertility decreases, the farmers shift and clear a fresh patch of land for cultivation. This type of shifting allows nature to replenish the fertility of the soil through natural processes. Land productivity in this type of agriculture is low as the farmer does not use fertilizers or other modern inputs. It is known by different names in different parts of the country. Primitive farming is also known as jumming cultivation in northeastern states of India like Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Nagaland, Pamlaw in Manipur, Deepa in Bastar district of Chhattisgarh and in Andaman and Nicobar. Slash and burn agriculture is known as milpa in Mexico and Central America, Conoco in Venezuela, Roca in Brazil, Masol in Central Africa, Ladang in Indonesia and Ray in Vietnam. In India, this primitive form of cultivation is called Bewar or Dahiya in Madhya Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh, it is known as Podu cultivation. In Rajasthan, it is called Valdre Khil in Himalayan belt and Kuruwa in Jharkhand. Moving on to the next farming, intensive subsistence farming, which is practiced by most of the Indians. This type of farming is practiced in areas of high population. It is labor-intensive farming where high doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. Remember, in the primitive, there was no use of any biochemical inputs like fertilizers, pesticides or insecticides, whereas in the intensive subsistence farming, to obtain higher production from the land, they use biochemical inputs and irrigation. That's it for the day. Hope you like the video. If you have any doubts, kindly write it down in the comment box. Thanks for watching.